Stretch out tight hips with this quick 5-minute bar workout session. 5 minutes, 5 days a week to loosen your joints and ease hip pain. Are you ready?
Today we will be working on some exercises for hip mobility. Let's get started. Come down all the way onto your mat, onto that back with the arms down by your sides. Heels are in line with the sits bones, and find a nice neutral spine and pelvis. We're going to begin with some hip openers. As you move the leg through these, think about taking the leg in and out on a straight piece of tape, imaginary tape on the floor. So as you exhale, rotate that left hip open, extend it away on that imaginary line, rotate to parallel, and then draw it in. Open, extend, rotate, and bring it in. Open, extend, rotate, bring it in. One more time. Open, extend, rotate, and draw it in. Other leg. Exhale, open, extend, rotate, draw it in. Open, extend, rotate, and bring it in. Open, extend, rotate, bring it in. Open, extend, rotate, and bring it back in. Taking it back to that first leg, let's reverse it. Extend it away. Laterally rotate, bring it in, and up. Extend, rotate, bring it in, and up. Extend, rotate, bring it in, and up. One more. Extend, rotate, bring it in, and up. Other leg. Extend, rotate, bring it in, and up. Extend, rotate, bring it in, and up. Two more. Extend, rotate, bring it in, and up. Extend, rotate, bring it in, and back up. Good. Go ahead and draw those knees into the chest. And you can take a little rock side to side here. And then keep that right knee hugging in as you send the left leg away. Just draw it in a little closer towards you and release. And then have your hand on the knee here, and you can just guide the leg around in circles here in the hip joint, taking these as big or as small as you need to. Just find that place that feels good. Hold that leg in and bring the other leg and send that one away. A little closer in, and then circle around here. It's going in both directions. Again, just finding that feel-good place, moving within that hip joint. Good. Now draw both knees into the chest. We're going to open up laterally and extend the legs. And you can reach up to the ankles here and draw the legs in towards you, or if you have the mobility and range, you can reach to the arches of the feet. And we're going to draw those knees in towards the armpits, really opening up the hips here, so a good lower back stretch as well. And just hold here for a moment. Again, to modify, you can just reach to the ankles and hold here, just working within your range of motion. Just holding for another moment here, and release. Bringing those legs together. Now reach behind the knees and we'll rock up to a seated position. Take those hands back behind you. You can lean back slightly and open those legs up nice and wide. Begin to tick-tock those knees side to side, and you can lift the opposite hip off the floor, taking this into a little rocking twist, and let those legs move side to side. Nice little hip rotation here. Good, then walk those feet together, lower yourself back down onto the floor, and walk the feet and ankles and knees back together here, and begin tick-tocking those knees side to side. If you prefer, you can take those hands out a little wider to give yourself a wider base of support, and just keep rocking back and forth here in a feel-good place. Drawing some awareness here to your breath. Moving side to side, and then just allow your legs to hold on one side. Taking that gaze to the opposite shoulder. Pass through center and drop to the other side. And bring it back up. Bring it back up to a seated position. That does it for today. I'll see you next time.
Subscribe to our channel and click the bell for notifications for a new weekly 5-minute session you can do every day to target problem areas or combine them all for a full body workout.